8 Pros and Cons of the Open-Plan Kitchen. Dear friends, open-plan kitchen design is a trend that has been in the market for decades. It is the first homeowner's priority when updating their kitchen. By eliminating the walls and joining the living room with the kitchen, modern designers perceive this option as cost-efficient and space-friendly. It is a sure way of bringing the family members into close proximity. However, this does not mean that there is no downside to this design. Here are some of the advantages and disadvantages of open-space kitchen design. 1. Advantage: easy interaction. An open layout lets you interact quicker and easier with guests in your living or dining area while you, the host, are finalizing some touches on that meal in the kitchen without missing a beat of the conversation. 2. Advantage: that extra glow. Walls are barriers to light, which is why it's important to commit to proper lighting in any room, but even more so in a separate environment like a closed kitchen. Tearing down a wall or two will immediately allow light, both natural and artificial, from the next room to flow into your cooking space. You can alter your lighting design to ensure the wall sconces, floor lamps, and ceiling downlighters in your living room, dining room, whatever space help illuminate your new open kitchen as well. 3. Advantage: cleanliness. Of course, visibility increases in an open-plan layout, which makes it trickier to ignore, for instance, that stack of dirty plates on the kitchen counter while you're chilling in the adjoining living room. But of course, this can be a great thing, helping you to stay on track with keeping your kitchen neat and spotless before that next round of visitors comes knocking. 4. Advantage: encourages a watchful eye. An open layout ensures a more welcoming vibe with those adjoining rooms blending into one another, meaning you can keep an eye on the youngsters, possibly even help out with some homework questions, while you're cooking, reading, or doing whatever in your open space layout. 5. Disadvantage: lack of privacy. Now, for some negative features that can come with an open-plan kitchen. If you're one of those who like to lose themselves in trying new recipes or getting busy in the kitchen, just know that a closed kitchen can encourage this. In an open layout, you might just get distracted by the adjoining living room's TV, the sound of chatter from the dining room a few feet away, etc. 6. Disadvantage: smells all around. The aroma of fresh coffee and baked bread is enticing to many, but what about bleach, soap, or grease that has been stuck to that oven top for a few days? These are smells you wouldn't want to share with the rest of the household while you're cleaning the kitchen, right? And in a closed kitchen, that wouldn't be much of a problem. 7. Disadvantage: noisiness. Washing dishes, chopping vegetables, setting the timer for that roast in the oven. There's a multitude of noises vibrating out of your average kitchen, and not all of them will be appreciated by family and guests in that open-plan layout. 8. Disadvantage: uncontrolled heat. Speaking of ovens and other scorching surfaces, we all know that a busy kitchen can get hot, literally. Sure, an updated HVAC system can easily rectify this issue, but what if you have no air conditioning system at home? That means the higher temperatures in that cooking and boiling kitchen will undoubtedly be transferred to the adjoining spaces, and you decide for yourself whether that's a good or a bad thing. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more valuable and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer AJ Laud's channel How to Make My House.